When a homeowner has a leak and their ceiling is turning brown, what's the first thing they do? They don't open the yellow pages. They pull out their phone and they type "roofer near me" into Google. In that moment, a list of 3 businesses appears in what's called the map pack. Being one of those top 3 businesses is the single most powerful way to generate a free, consistent flow of emergency level, high intent leads. If you're not there, you are functionally invisible to the majority of your potential customers. So the $1,000,000 question is, how do you get there? You can have a great website and run ads, and those are important. But Google's local algorithm cares about one thing more than almost anything else: trust. And how does it measure trust? Through your Google business profile, specifically your reviews. It's not just about having a high star rating. The algorithm looks at 3 things: the volume of reviews you get, the recency of those reviews, and this is the one most roofers fail at your engagement. That means responding to every single review, both good and bad. Responding to reviews signals to Google that you are an active, engaged, and trustworthy business that cares about its customers. This sends a massive positive signal that boosts your local ranking. But who has time for that? You're busy running crews, ordering materials, and managing projects. You can't be logged into Google all day waiting to thank someone for a 5-star review, or, even more time-consuming, carefully crafting a response to a -1. This is the exact reason most roofers' profiles stagnate and they fall out of the top 3. They can't keep up with the engagement the algorithm demands. This is where automation becomes your secret weapon. Imagine if every time a customer left a review good or Bedan intelligent AI system instantly analyzed it and posted a thoughtful, relevant response on your behalf. A customer leaves a 5-star review saying, "John did a great job on our roof." The AI responds, "Thank you so much. We're thrilled John and the team could help you out. We appreciate your business." A customer leaves a 3-star review saying, "The job took longer than expected." The AI responds, "Thank you for the feedback. We apologize for the delay and strive to improve our project timelines. A manager will be reaching out to you directly." This system handles 100% of the engagement for you 24/7. It keeps your profile active, builds immense social proof, and constantly feeds the Google algorithm the exact trust signals it needs to rank you higher. You do the great work, and the AI ensures every potential customer in your area sees it.